Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. The Bank of Jamaica stepped into the foreign exchange market for a second straight day today. It intervened selling $50 million US. Yesterday it sold $20 million US in an effort to stabilize the market. And in the aftermath of the BOJ's intervention, the Jamaican dollar reversed its slide. At the end of the day, the US dollar was being sold for $137.96. The Canadian dollar is going for $105.88. The pound sterling is now costing $171.73, while the euro sells for $154.17. Imports grew and exports fell over the 4 months to January to April. Statin said imports rose 9% over the period to more than $2.1 billion US. Oil imports, which rose 16% to $614 million US, were mainly responsible for the increase. Other contributors to the higher import bill included vehicles and food. Exports fell 2% to $559 million US. Stocks ended mostly higher today and the JC index rose more than 1,226 points, while the junior market index gained 42. Stocks posting gains included CAC 2000, Consolidated Bakeries, JMB Group, Fontana, and Cargo Handlers. On the losing end were Maybury Investments, AMG Packaging and Paper, Portland JSX, Epley, and Caribbean Cream. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.